Prep Test 67, Game 3, Question 14. If P is alone in aisle 3, which must be true? We've got our rules and inferences. Let's bring up our master diagram and plug P into aisle 3 and seal that aisle off. So if P is alone in aisle 3, which must be true? So first of all, let's get our variables up. We've got F, H, M, P, R, and S, and we've already placed P. So what do we know about these others? Well, M can't go in aisle 1, so it must go in aisle 2. If M is in aisle 2, according to this rule, F must be in aisle 1. We know that S has to be before P, but that S also has to be greater than or equal to H. Unfortunately, neither of those actually limit us too much, because we could put both S and H here in 2, or we could put both S and H here in 1. So we've placed our F, we've placed our M. The only remaining one to worry about, we know that S and H could go in either 1 or 2, and we have R left over. And R needs to be with F or M, but again, it can float between 1 and 2. So we're looking for something that must be true. Right off the bat, F does have to be in 1. This is looking good. Does H have to be in 1? No, we described it as a floating in this game. Does M have to be in 1? Nope, M is in 2. R, as we discussed, can float between 1 and 2. And S, as we discussed, can float between 1 and 2. Therefore, A is the only thing that must be true.